Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to auto-update Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down until we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get media. Go down and press on app updates. Click on auto update Facebook. Let Facebook update Facebook over Wi-Fi. Press on this icon. Now you already active auto update Facebook. Here we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to auto update Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.